Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to update the software on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Keeping your watch updated is crucial for accessing the latest features, improving battery life, ensuring optimal performance, and staying protected against security threats. As of February 2026, Samsung has streamlined the update process, making it easier than ever. There are two primary ways to update your Galaxy Watch. The first method uses the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS. The second method allows you to update directly through the watch's Wi-Fi connection without needing your phone nearby. Both methods achieve the same result, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Remember to ensure that your paired phone is also updated to avoid any compatibility issues. First, make sure your watch is connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Open the Galaxy Wearable app. Navigate to Watch Settings, then tap Watch Software Update. The app will scan for available updates. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Ensure your watch has at least 15% battery and ideally is above 50% to avoid interruptions. The update process usually takes between 10 and 30 minutes. Alternatively, you can update directly on your watch via Wi-Fi. First, ensure your watch has sufficient battery life, at least 50%, and is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap Software Update. Then select Download and Install. The watch will connect to Wi-Fi and check for available updates. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the update. Samsung Galaxy Watches run on Wear OS powered by Samsung with One UI Watch as the user interface. Updates include firmware improvements, app updates, and crucial security patches. These updates enhance different parts of the watch software: firmware for core functionality, app updates for new features, and security patches to protect your data. The current version is One UI Watch 6.5 with version 7.0 expected soon. These updates bring the latest improvements and features. Updates bring enhanced AI-driven health insights for better fitness tracking, improved battery optimization for longer usage, and seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. Sometimes, updates may fail due to various reasons, such as connection issues or device errors. Common fixes include restarting both your watch and phone to refresh their connections. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, for the update to download properly. You can also reset network settings on your watch through the Settings menu to clear any connection issues. If problems persist, a factory reset of the watch may be necessary, but be sure to back up your data first. Samsung recommends contacting their support team for guidance, especially if you are not tech-savvy. Regular updates are essential for protecting your Galaxy Watch from security vulnerabilities. Samsung releases monthly security patches to address potential threats, such as Bluetooth exploits. Additionally, updates introduce new features, enhance existing functionalities like fitness tracking, and improve overall performance. As an example, a January 2026 update fixed a potential data leak in fitness apps. The future of wearable updates is trending towards AI integration and automation. Expect predictive updates that learn your usage habits and schedule downloads during low-activity times. Samsung is also working on eco-friendly practices, like reducing update data through Delta updates that only download changed files. With advances in 5G and Wi-Fi 7, updates will become faster and more reliable. By 2030, updates may become fully autonomous, driven by AI that anticipates your needs based on usage patterns. Future integrations could enhance augmented reality health overlays through AR glasses and neural interfaces. Sustainability will be key, with Samsung committing to carbon-neutral updates via server-side optimizations.